Psychologists say mental strength rarely feels like confidence. It usually feels like discomfort, doubt, and isolation. And if life feels heavier right now, I'll show you 7 main reasons why that might actually mean you're getting stronger in the next 20 seconds. Because mental strength quietly changes how you choose, how you react, and who you allow access to your energy. Number 1, emotional awareness. You feel things more clearly now, not louder, deeper. Emotions hit you fully instead of being numbed out or ignored, and that can feel overwhelming at first. Psychologists say emotional awareness increases before emotional regulation does, which is why growth often feels worse before it feels better. Your brain is building emotional literacy instead of avoiding discomfort. Name the emotion instead of fighting it. But awareness alone isn't strength. The next sign proves it. Number 2, reduce tolerance for noise. Things you once tolerated now drain you. Small talk feels heavier. Fake urgency annoys you. Unnecessary drama feels unbearable because your brain is prioritizing meaning over stimulation. Your nervous system is learning to protect energy instead of chasing validation. Reduce one unnecessary obligation this week. But this shift comes with a cost most people don't expect. Number 3, loneliness during growth. You feel more alone, even around people. That's not failure. Psychologists say growth often creates temporary disconnection because your identity is updating faster than your environment. You're shedding versions of yourself that once fit certain rooms. Your brain is releasing outdated attachment patterns. Don't rush replacement. Let alignment catch up. But here's where strength starts to look scary. Number 4, discomfort with old patterns. Old habits don't feel safe anymore. Over-explaining, people-pleasing, self-betrayal in the name of peace. Your brain now flags these behaviors as threats, not comfort. Your nervous system is rewiring what safety actually means. Pause before defaulting to your old response. And this next sign is the one most people misinterpret. Number 5, slower reactions. You don't react instantly anymore. You think, you pause, you choose. Studies show impulse control improves before confidence does, which is why growth feels quieter, not louder. Your prefrontal cortex is taking the lead. Delay emotional decisions by 24 hours. But this calm has a shadow side. Number 6, guilt for choosing yourself. You feel guilt when you set boundaries, when you rest, when you say no. That guilt isn't selfishness, it's the residue of old conditioning leaving your system. Your brain is recalibrating what self-respect feels like. Let guilt pass without obeying it. And here's the quietest sign of all. Number 7, less need to explain. You explain yourself less. You justify less. You don't chase understanding from people who've already decided who you are. Psychologists link this to rising internal validation. Your sense of worth is shifting inward. Stop over-explaining once per day. Now let's connect the pattern. If life feels harder, emptier, or more uncomfortable right now, you're not breaking down, you're breaking patterns. Mental strength doesn't arrive as motivation. It arrives as clarity, boundaries, and discomfort you no longer run from. If this hit uncomfortably close, good. That means your awareness just leveled up. Don't numb it. Don't scroll past it. Subscribe and keep learning the psychology behind who you're becoming.